Hey, my name is Sergio. I took the yoga training with Bari and Devaya Yoga in 2018. For me, it was an experience that helped me to connect in a deeper way with myself and change the perspective of um, my body, of my inner self. With Devaya Yoga, we explore things that I didn't before with sound and color. For me, um, using color was very, it's like entering another dimension and combine that with the asanas, the body, and, and the sound opens, it opens a um, new experience, a new consciousness in myself, a new way that I've been walking through the years and knowing a little bit better my body, how the sound works, how the color works, and it connects me a lot with my inner voice, my intuition. We can call it like that. But for me, was um, connecting with my presence of truly feel my body when it's telling me something. Truly feel my emotions, my soft part when he's talking, when he's giving me a message in any place or area of my life. So yeah, that's a little bit of my experience.